Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 22 of the New England farmhouse renovation. So, I set a pretty aggressive schedule of being in here and living in the New England farmhouse in 30 days. We picked it back up on day number 20, which means by the time we get to day number 50, we should be in here and living in the house. And we've got a lot to do in order to make that happen. We've got pages of things that we've got to do in order to make this fully functioning in a place where we can come and we can live. And that brings us to triage mode. We're basically taking a look at the rooms that we have that just need a coat of paint, maybe some new fixtures, and we're getting them done as quickly as possible. That meant today I was working on the first floor bathroom, which is off the kitchen here. And while the bathroom does look a little bit dated with that black and white tile and that sink, it's something that is functional. So we can basically put a coat of paint on this and live in the house, worry about updating those fixtures at a later date. And that's kind of what I'm really looking at here in order to get this project working, is we're going to get to a functional point where we can be in here and working on projects that aren't going to be creating a lot of dust. So today, if you're wondering, well, what did he do today? I actually put a vent in here, and if anybody's ever had a bathroom, particularly a bathroom off of the kitchen, a vent is a must. And so this was a very interesting little project because I did not want to tear up this ceiling in order to get the vent in. And so I devised a way to work within the hole that I cut out here for the actual unit itself and run the tube all the way between the joists and cut in from the outside in order to get the louvered vent cap out there. So that was a fun little project, and I'm thinking that a lot of people out there probably could use a vent in their bathroom. And if they don't think that they need it, maybe you could hint that they do need it for one way or the other. But I'm going to put all of that information together because I documented it, and just to show you how to go about doing it. It's all about having the right tools and a little bit of planning ahead. But being able to put in a vent without taking down the ceiling, that's pretty huge, particularly for a span we have there. And now we don't have to worry about anybody being in there while we're serving Thanksgiving dinner and that all getting ruined for sure. All right, so day number 22 is in the books. The only other thing we did was put our second coat of plaster here and a little bit of sanding. So it was a dusty day for sure. We're going to try to get all the dust out of the way and just keep grinding away until we can get this project done in 30 days. So, you got any questions? Ask me, leave a comment. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. That's very important, particularly for YouTube, to know that I'm out here and I'm posting good stuff. So I thank you for your time. I thank you for following me, and come back tomorrow. We'll have another little project in the books.